show me your two losses. Give me the
Yeah,
first one and the second one.
got it.
You know what we say, losses are lessons.
Yeah, definitely was a good lesson. And they were actually like the first two that I took after kind of switching to a
All right, let's
fixed
get
dollar amount.
multiple lessons out of it. What's
Yeah, so I believe I was going short. Um, Here, I would have to like, I want to find like the exact.
idea is like about less than five, it seems.
Yeah, yes, about less than 5%. Was what I was kind of going for.
Do you have max daily loss limits or max monthly loss limits?
Yeah, usually in a week I would do no more than like 10% in a week, and then I don't have any monthly, but usually like weekly, just 10%, and then I kind of stop and figure it out what I'm doing wrong.
That,
Um,
that's great. That's great, and I do the same. It's weekly.
okay.
We take like a Monday through Friday, and each week has its own flavor, as we say.
Yeah. Yeah. I definitely agree there. I definitely agree there. So I guess
Okay, so let's let's see the setup.
got it. Yeah.
This was a while ago.
Yeah. This was maybe 2 weeks ago. So 9:22 around 10 a.m. So
All right. Well,
okay, got it. Yeah. Um, so I was looking to go short. Um,
okay.
I believe somewhere around
Very
here.
reasonable.
Yeah. Um, but what I kind of realized was that like this is like the
Wait, just put
third.
a. I know your stop is 20 and 25.
Hmm.
Just put a position just on your entry
Okay, got it.
or an arrow on the.
Okay. Um, so it was here. It was in this candle here. Um,
All right. Now uh, let's go on a 15
okay.
because this is where you entered, right? So we got to
Yeah.
go on the 15.
Hmm.
Now give me the entry signal you used because
Got it.
this is you know what this is. You know what this is, right? This is a classic zone wipeout scenario, and there's two ways, like we said. It's a slow wipeout or a fast wipeout. This was a fast one,
Yeah.
but let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see if we got a
So
signal for.
I
Looks like
believe,
that bearish pin bar, or
yeah, this bearish pin bar here, or this bearish engulfing
wait
here. I'm
one
sorry.
second.
Yeah.
So this, I mean, which zone are you getting into? It
So
seems you're early on this one,
okay. Yeah.
very early.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I
That.
I honestly thought you were gonna point at well, let me get control here because this is we don't want to be doing this stuff.
Yeah.
I thought it was this one here because remember this is you're looking for a in this case it's a sell zone, so a bearish signal, so it's going to be some bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar. But I thought you used this one and you got stopped
I
because
might
it's
have it because that's at 10.
completely
Oh, I'm sorry. That's at 10 a.m. So, and that kind of corresponds with the time from. So yeah, it was around the 10 a.m. time window.
well, it's not even about time; it's about price. But
Yeah.
this is 190.
So yeah, open time was 10 a.m. and then
But this thing is So well, the earlier one was 50,
Yeah, and then 85.
150, and one. Well, so first you shorted at 180, and then you shorted at 150.
Yeah.
Actually, okay. So this is you actually. If this is, if I'm seeing it right, but maybe you got to see a statement what the broker record shows. But it seems you sold as it was dropping right there at that green one when it was at the wick.
Yeah,
It
I
was
believe.
actually red.
Yeah.
Would that be the case?
Yes.
So actually, right when you clicked it, reversed up and blew the zone.
Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you got to know exactly what happened because honestly, I mean, this is a great example of a normal loss.
Okay. All right.
So, but here's honestly, this is let's say I was in this. I was exactly in your situation. After this, we're supposed to do psychology, but these are when I say losses are lessons, man. You gotta believe that stuff. But let's just say, for me, this is honestly what I would have done. Right after that would close, and then maybe break even. Well, I don't know how much it went. 180. Yeah, 5 pips. I don't think I would have. I think this would have been a loss. But maybe if it reached a little bit here, I would have been break even, and then we would have went out without a scratch.
Got it.
But it just came right back in this case, and you did the right thing, man. This is a great, well, great loss, but you better see it as that. But here's the thing about this uh, is that these the two. I don't know if these are wins, but why did you risk more on these? Is that part of your system, or is there a reason?
So I risked 0.25. It should have been point 0.2, I believe, as a lot size. And then the following trades have just been broken up, but those just started as point 0.2 trades. So yeah, it was a bit more, but it should have been point 0.2 lot sizes for those two trades. And that was the first time I had used like the fixed dollar amount risk model.
All right. Well, you just got to be aware of all this, and it's always good to see consistency in these percentages. But uh, sometimes we risk more, but there better be a very clear reason, like okay, because it's a major HPT along, something like that. Not just
Yeah.
for randomly. We want to avoid some random stuff.
Yeah.
But or it was on a major or just something. It looks like a major, but you definitely want to have a reason for why this was risked more. But that's great stuff, man, that you're showing me. This first loss, I think, okay, so now we know, well, the first or the second, whichever is the series, but at one of these, where you actually did at a 158, which is, I don't know where, maybe here. Do you know which candle it is? Because it's at 158. 158 would actually be right there. So it really looks like somewhere here. Or what do you think? Is that Man, you got to remember. Oh, I mean, it's 2 weeks. Yeah. You know, I don't even remember the trades I took yesterday, but
Yeah. So,
you
or
know,
is
does that look familiar?
yeah, it does. Or the one of the candles next to it. But yeah, that looks familiar.
Yeah, kind of the same thing. It went up and then dropped again.
Yeah.
Uh, that one is not out of zone, my friend. If we go on the 4 hour, this is just a, where is it? This is, you know, a classic example of you're just early. This is not the zone.
Got it.
If the zone was there, I get it. But you know, classic example of early. We don't want that stuff.
Yeah.
It has to be inside. Inside is when the game starts.
Got it.
This
Yeah.
means nothing if it could play right under the zone for a long time. Don't be tempted because you got to understand that this is not where they have the orders. This is why would I, if some guy, if I could sell the Lambo for let's say 500, okay,
Yeah.
why would I be so greedy and impatient to sell it for 400? I mean, they are going to get the better price, man. This is, they will not dump here,
Got it.
right? Even if you see a signal, that's kind of noise, but
Okay.
you definitely want to play inside the zone. I mean, I get it, man. It's tempting, but I'm trying to get you to skip that because you're just going to destroy your accuracy, and it's honestly not valid. Remember, well, we're going to talk about that in psychology, but uh, valid signal at a valid zone, man. That's your whole system. You can put on a business card.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
that is not a green light for uh, if the valid signal is signal at the zone. That's a red light. That's not a signal at the zone.
Okay.